Welcome to my channel, where I cook national dish from all over the world. Today country Greece, and we will cook national dish moussaka. The list of the ingredients is also below the video. First, cut 2 eggplant into slices. Sprinkle with salt on both sides. Put in a colander and leave for 30 minutes. So prepare our ingredients. Grate 200 cheese. Melted on fire 40 grams butter. After add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir 40 seconds and remove from head. Now put on small fire and add 400 ml of milk. Milk must be at room temperature. Mix and bring to a boil and add 200 grams of grated cheese. Remove from head. Half tablespoon salt. Remove from a head when cheese is melted. After 5 minutes, add 2 eggs and mix. And our bechamel sauce is ready. Rinse the eggplant with cold water and let dry. Heat up some oil in a pan, and you need fry eggplants on both sides. And let's prepare general ingredient meat. So first chop 1 onion. Add some oil in a frying pan and add onion. Also add 500 grams of ground beef. Salt, pepper to taste. Fry around 5 minutes. Now you need to prepare 3 tomatoes, peel it and finely chop it. Add our tomatoes in a pan. All mix, and after add 150 grams of white wine and fry until the liquid evaporates. So let's make our moussaka. First layer is eggplants, second minced meat, third also eggplants. Top with bechamel sauce and grated cheese 100 grams and cover with a lid. Put on a small fire for 40-60 minutes. In gas stove it will be faster. Bechamel sauce should set. You can also put it in the oven. It will be faster. Greece moussaka is ready. It's so delicious. This is recipe for 6 persons. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out any new interesting recipes from all over the world. I want to prepare national dish from all 193 countries.